Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix Valorant textures not loading problem. I found two different solutions for this problem. Before moving on to the video, you can support me by liking the video and deliver this video to people who are looking for this video like you. Let's start. Our first solution has 3 steps. For the first step, we open the Riot client. We click on the profile icon in the upper right and go to Settings. Click on Valorant on the left. Click on Repair. And click on Start Repair. If there is any missing or damage in our files, it will be repaired with this method. If you don't have the Start Repair text, it means that there is no damage to your files. You can go to the next step. After the repair is complete, we log into our account for the next step. For the second step, we go to the Task Manager. We are opening services under Valorant. And right-click on Valorant and click Go to Details. Here we see these 3 services listed one under the other. We apply the same procedure to them respectively. Right-click, set priority in above normal or high. First select above normal. If the same error continues in the future, change this to high. Click on Change Priority. Thanks to this setting, our computer will give performance priority to Valorant while Valorant is running. We can close the Task Manager. After making the settings, we go to Valorant for the last step. For the third step, we go into Valorant Settings. Click on Video from the menu above. Then we enter the graphics quality. There are some features that we need to change here. First, we change the material quality and texture quality to medium or high. If your graphics card is not powerful enough, it will be enough to make it medium. Then we set the anisotropic filtering feature to be at least 4x. You can also increase this setting according to your graphics card. But it must be at least 4x. Yes, this step is done. This was our first solution. If this solution worked for you, don't forget to like the video. If the solution did not work, we will move on to the second solution. Our second solution is to delete Valorant with all its files and reinstall it. This way a clean install will fix our error. We need a small program to delete Valorant with all its files. To download the program, we open our browser. We write Geek Uninstaller in the search section and click on the first site. Click on the download button on the top right of the website. We are downloading Geek Uninstaller free. After downloading the file, we go into the RAR file. Double-click the application here and open it. We see the applications that are installed on our computer. We scroll down and find Valorant and right-click it. Click on Uninstall, and wait for the deletion to finish. Click on Done. The residual files are deleted. We click on Finish. And yes, Valorant has been completely deleted. Now all you have to do is reinstall Valorant. I'm not going to show this so the video doesn't get long, you already know how to do it. We have come to the end of the video. I hope these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.